Okay, Monday, March 14th, I'm buying Tesla 775 puts here at 27.53. And I bought them when the stock had a little, I'll show you in a second. I bought them up here as we had a little pullback, but overall you can see the market did gap down big, and then it had a pretty nice rally up kind of to the overnight highs, yesterday's close, and then we've started down again, and we're just pausing, and then now starting lower. So I bought those options at 27.53. You can see here they're up to 29.50, so up 2 points so far just on this little push. And overall, what I'm looking at here, just looking at the charts, this is the monthly chart. Tesla's been kind of grinding lower for about 5 months now since this big green bar, and we took out that green bar low, and it looked like maybe that could be a bottom on a hammer kind of bar. But this whole month here, we haven't been able to rally. And if anything, I see today rolling over, and this is a low of 700. So it seems like Tesla's going to want to take out that area again and possibly head, towards these lows eventually as this weak market, continues to get weaker. So bottom line is I don't see a bounce here in the big picture like might have looked like was developing. If you look at the weekly chart, that was back here. A few weeks ago, we had the taking out the lows, then we kind of bounced, but we rolled over last week, big red, and now we're breaking down on a 2 down week. And on the daily chart, again, this was an opportunity, in my opinion, today, if we were going to just broaden lower and take out these little stops last week on the daily and then start higher, you would have had a 15-minute chart that would have continued. I'll show you in a second, continued higher. But instead, I just sense we're failing the opportunity to broaden higher, so we're going to be heading down to these lows again near 700. And again, if this today would have been a day where we gapped down and wanted to really reverse, taking out those lows, we came up and we had an opportunity here to hold and then start another leg up, but instead we just head down. So now we head down, we're just pausing in here. I bought the puts here at the blue line. I'm anticipating the low of the day taken out. That's like in the 750 area. And like I said, in the bigger picture, I see 700 kind of in the forecast. But again, for day trading, I don't think we're getting there necessarily today, but I do think we're going to probably test those. We're broken down here on the daily chart, and there's a lot of space here to head to 700. So I think we're going to get back to those intraday lows at a minimum, and then we'll see how much lower maybe it wants to go today. But in the bigger picture, I just see down, down, down at the moment, and I'm going to use this opportunity here midday to just buy some puts and see, let's just see if we take out this intraday low to start and then where it goes from there.